Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening the Discord desktop app and signing in. Make sure your microphone is enabled in Windows and selected under Discord's voice and video settings. This prevents input issues. Once your target direct message or server channel is open and focused, locate the new voice message button near the message box. You're doing this first because a correct audio device and an open conversation avoid interruptions when you record. Now you're ready for the actual recording step. You'll click the voice message icon next to the text field to begin. Once activated, press and hold or use the click to record control. Speak clearly and at a steady volume. Discord currently limits clips to about 120 seconds, so plan your message. Make sure to use headphones to avoid feedback and glance at the input meter to confirm levels. If you need to pause, stop the clip and re-record rather than trying to edit mid-capture. This keeps audio clean and consistent. Once you finish, preview the clip and tap send. If it's not right, cancel and re-record until satisfied. After sending, you can right-click the voice message to save it locally, delete it, or report problems. If recipients report silence or you hear nothing, recheck microphone permissions in Windows and Discord, ensure no physical mute, and reselect the correct input device under voice and video. If problems persist, restart Discord. That often reinitializes devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.